Good morning. Thanks for tuning in to another watch list brought to you by FTX. If you don't have an FTX account, then feel free to use the link in the description below and you'll receive 10% off your trading fees. Alright, let's have a look at Bitcoin. So I'm just recovering from a bit of a cold over the weekend, which wasn't great. My voice is still a little bit gone, but I'm sure we'll get there. So Bitcoin currently up 1.78%, which is quite surprising. We were watching a level through here, which we'd tested numerous times over the weekend, since the 29th of August really. So I was half expecting a build down into that level. We haven't got that. It's just the open of today has just rocketed on almost 2% already. So whether that's due to a lack of trading volume because of the US having a day off yesterday, I'm not sure, but yeah, it's not giving us too much to work with. We've got no trend on the daily, no trend on the 4. We can look lower. There's no trend either, so it's just a single candle that's just rocketed on. So there's nothing too much there on Bitcoin. Only this level that we're watching for if we do see some selling off down into that level. ETH. Hey Keith, thank you. ETH on the daily. Yeah, downtrend. It hasn't broken this previous high, so nothing there really for us on ETH. We can look lower at the 4, and as you can see, there's no real trend. We do have a higher high and a higher low, so we can have a look lower. I mean, there is a bit of a trend there, but again, it's just rocketed off. Whether that's there is the halvening, or not the halvening, sorry, the split to ETH 2.0, I think it is, coming up soon. So if you are an FTX user, just be aware that FTX will be disabling withdrawals and deposits on ETH today, I believe, through till tomorrow. I'm not sure of the exact times, but you should have an email about that. So just be wary of that. But yeah, ETH, nothing really there for us. If we were to get anything, it would be this 2-hour time frame, a pullback into that cradle zone backed by the 4-hour. But I'd ultimately like it to stay clear of this previous high. There's no real levels through there either. So yeah, nothing really on ETH for us. Alt-Perp was a really, really nice level through here that we're watching this morning. It's just broken through. Waiting for a pullback, probably not down to this level. That would be a super deep pullback, but the trend is there. We've got some clarification or some confirmation of the break of this level, so waiting for a pullback on Alt-Perp. BNT is the same. Nice break of that level on the 4-hour. Beautiful trend leading into that. A nice break, waiting for a pullback. Just be wary of this level here. Make sure you can get your targets before that. It is a 0.5 round number as well, so it does hold quite some value. So yeah, if you are looking to trade that, just make sure that you can get your target before then. BNB, watching for a level to the short side. It doesn't look like we will be watching that for any longer, so I'll take that out. Crypto.com. Another one with a solid level. We're watching to the upside. Test. Broken through, waiting for that pullback now. So nice confirmation of a break at this level. Yeah, waiting for a pullback on Crypto.com. GRT was a level to the downside. It's solid support level through here. Let's have a look at the daily. Yeah, it's not telling us too much either. So yeah, a nice level through here. You know what? We could still get some build down into that level. But we'll see what today and tomorrow brings. I'll be very interested to see if we do see some follow through in the buying sector. MVDA 25 was the daily. So a beautiful daily trend, bearish candle there in the cradle zone. Let's, you know what, you could raise orders on that if you are that way inclined to have a short option open. It is there. It doesn't look too bad, so it would give you some exposure to the short side if we do see some selling. And OKB, a nice level through there on the 4. Yeah, it's not, it's not that great, I would say, seeing as this candle has sort of ruined the setup to this. I was waiting for something similar to this test there. a lower high, and maybe something like that. Unfortunately, we haven't got that, but that's fine. We've just got a big green candle here, ruining the trend down into that level. So we'll keep that there just in case we do see some selling off into that level. But yeah, for the time being, I guess if we do see some more buying, we can scan the markets, focus on these 4-hour time frames, filter out the ones with the 4-hour trends, and then focus on the lower time frames. So then that way you're trading the lower time frames in agreement with the 4-hour trend. I know the dailies, most of the dailies are in downtrends or no trends at all. So it's a 4-hour that I'll be focusing on, and lower, probably no lower than the 1 hour. But yeah, that's my plan of attack. Yeah, unfortunately there isn't too much out there. This current buying has sort of ruined the trends. But yeah, waiting for pullbacks on things like Alt Perp, ETH, BNT as well. So yeah, thanks for tuning in. I hope you have a great day, and I'll chat to you soon.